Hey everyone, I just thought I'd take a minute and sit here with this amazing backdrop behind me. Yeah, just share this message that came through being out here, sitting out in this grass, and it's kind of weird for me talking and bringing a camera around. I'm not the usual person to bring a camera and talk into it like how I am. So I may stumble on some words or not really know what to say. But I just want to share a message that I feel everyone needs to hear. If you clicked on this video, then this message is for you. And go out into nature, go ground, go barefoot, hiking, go walking, dip your feet in the river. Spend as much time as you can outside. Being in the present, not overthinking things and overwhelming yourself with all these tasks that you feel you must do or have to do or should do. I feel my existence here is just beingness and embodying and tapping in to more beingness of my surroundings and observing my surroundings. And nature seems to be the easiest environment for me personally to grasp that theme and that concept. And so I encourage everyone who is listening to this video to spend more time outside and really thank the earth and just play outside and sit and meditate, however that may look for you. For me, it definitely is a lot of breathing, and just watching the trees, watching the animals around, and I really just want to encourage that. So thank you for clicking on this video and just, enjoying the nature that's behind me. I don't know, I hope you can notice it. I don't think this video can really justify what I'm surrounded by right now, but this is the best place to be. And I'm really grateful for everyone that is following me and joining me. And please send me anything down in the comment section below. What's your favorite way of grounding or meditating? And does nature also seem to be the easiest place where you can find yourself and really just stay grounded? Please leave in the comments below. Subscribe, of course, and let me know. I just want to have more conversations with you guys. I don't want to just film me. I just want to be more in communication and in community with the people who are joining my channel. So feel free to let me know what you would like for you to see me do. And I will continue to be posting. And so, stay tuned for that. Thank you.